What's going on, guys? Todd here. Today we're going to install a rocker guard body armor from Rugged Ridge on a 2019 Jeep JL 2-door. Now make sure you're subscribed to our channel to stay up to date with our latest content. Let's go ahead and get started. Your TPO body armor is going to do a great job of protecting your rocker panel from rock chips like from a gravel road or hitting the trail, and it's also going to protect your door sill while you're getting in and out of the Jeep. Okay, now I've already gone ahead and removed the door just so you guys can get a better view of what's going on, but you absolutely do not have to remove the door in order to install this thing. So what we're gonna do is line it up. Now, keep in mind your logo is gonna go towards the rear. We're just gonna set it up on top of the door sill, and then you see where the cutouts are. We're gonna move those up to where your fenders are. Get that set into place. Now we know where it's going to install. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this away. You wanna go ahead and wipe down all these surfaces where your tape is going to adhere with some isopropyl rubbing alcohol. I've already done that. Okay, now first of all, let me point a couple of things out. Every piece of tape I've got pulled back, I've got it secured on the other side with some blue painter's tape. These portions right here, I've got peeled back. We're working from the inside out, so make sure you have it set up that way. Your door kick, your sill portion, you're gonna have two pieces of tape going on there, the top piece and the bottom piece. The top piece, we've only got a little bit pulled back and then secured. The bottom piece, we've got it pulled back a lot further and secured. I'm gonna show you why we're doing that in just a minute. And then your lower portion that goes along your pinch weld, I've got it peeled back on both sides and secured with painter's tape. So let's go ahead and set it in place, but don't push it to the panel until you got everything lined up. So I'm going to go to these corners here and line it up to the body lines on the Jeep. Now we're going to do a nice and slow approach. Make sure we do not allow it to contact until it's nice and lined up. Once it's lined up, then we can set it in place and press down. Now we're going to go ahead and start with the sill plate. Now this one right here, this is what's coming down and connected to this portion of the tape right here. We're gonna pull that first, because if we pulled this first, then we wouldn't be able to pull this past the taped area. So we're gonna go ahead and peel our blue painter's tape back and just go ahead and slowly pull and get that released. Once that's released, we can go ahead and bear down. And next, pull the top one. And press in and bear down with that. Now we can work down. And then we can go ahead and set the pinch weld. Now we're going to take a microfiber rag and bear down on all the places where we have the tape. Now just repeat the exact same process for the opposite side, and that concludes the installation. Make sure you give your adhesive 24 hours to completely cure, so in that time, don't wash the Jeep and steer clear of the muddy trails. Well, if you found this video helpful, make sure and give us a thumbs up. If you want to know more about the product, check the link in the description below, and as always, if you have any questions, call the experts or visit us online at RealTruck.com.